Number 16, the directions are the same as number 15, which means to write the simplest polynomial based on the given zeros. And so the first thing we want to actually state is that since negative 3i is a root, so we know that also positive 3i is also a root because of the conjugate. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite f of x with the factors. That will be x minus 5, x plus 3i, and x minus 3i. Okay, since we know that these i's are kind of like twins with each other, we're going to FOIL this, the last two factors, so that we can see what answers we can get out of it. And let's go ahead and FOIL it. So the first term we have x times x, which is x squared. Then outer term will give us minus 3ix, and the middle terms will be plus 3ix. And finally we have the last term is negative 9i squared. And since the middle terms are opposite of each other, they will cancel each other out. And something else I want to mention is that I squared, we know that is equal to negative 1 because I is actually equal to the square root of negative 1. So in an essence, when you square both sides to get square, we will have negative 1. So I squared is just equal to negative 1, so we can substitute that as negative 1, and we can eliminate the I. So we actually have a nice and clean x squared. Negative 9 times negative 1 will be plus 9. And bring down the first term, we have x minus 5, and then f of x in front. Finally, we're going to FOIL it again for these two parentheses, and that should give us an answer of x to the third plus 9x and minus 5x squared. I'm just going to rearrange it to make it in standard form, minus 45. And so that looks like it is the complete final polynomial for the zeros that are given.